Are you a change maker who wants to make a bigger impact and a bigger contribution in the world? Do you want to build a business that actually makes a difference? Then I'm going to share with you some tips and some strategies and some information that is going to absolutely change the game for you. I'm Marguerita, conscious mindset coach, business strategist, and lightworker from Pitbull, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs and wealth seekers to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs so they could be unstoppable at achieving their goals and dreams. And the vast majority of social entrepreneurs, of change makers, of people who want to do business for good get stuck because of one very important factor that they forget. Socially responsible businesses are the future of entrepreneurship. Now, we have seen the consequences of businesses that are built on foundations of greed and what it has done to our planet and humanity in general. And that is going to be completely unsustainable as we move forward into a whole new earth paradigm, a new way of actually operating on this planet. So if you are one of these change makers who want to make a difference in the world, then you are on the precipice of a very, very exciting time. And I am really glad that you are here right now. So social return on your investment is a primary consideration for all conscious entrepreneurs. And there are three primary things that you need to get right if you're going to be successful in this space. And there is one specifically that the vast majority of change makers forget, which is why they fail. And I'm going to share that with you today. So stick around. So the three things are people, planet, profit. And they need to work together to be able to create a social enterprise that actually works and is successful. And the thing is that business is complicated. Business is not easy. It is hard. And the social enterprise adds a whole new level of complexity because you are actually taking into consideration and into account other factors that a lot of businesses in the past have not put in place, right? So these three things, people first, you need to make sure that your business is serving people to the highest extent that you possibly can. That is the people in your business and the people that you serve, that your business serves as a consequence of you doing business. That is the product or the service that you provide. So people are the first consideration. Planet is the second consideration. So are you environmentally responsible at every area of your business? And are you minimizing your footprint and your impact on the environment itself? And if you are actually having a negative impact on the environment in some way, are you offsetting that? And the third thing is profit. And this is the one where so many social entrepreneurs get stuck because they are so focused and they are so dedicated to the impact that they want to have that they kind of put profit as an insignificant part of their business. And this means that your business will be completely unsustainable and you will never be able to have the impact that you are capable of having. If you want to make a significant contribution to the world, then you must actually bring profit into play just as much as people and planet. So when you're looking at your business model and you are putting your plan in place, yes, you need to look at people first and then planet second. But third, you must have a profit model that is going to help you to optimize the return on your efforts, your energy, your investment, right? So if you don't do this, then you're going to fail. It's going to be unsustainable. You're never going to have the impact that you want to have. When you take care of the profit piece, you will be able to amplify your efforts and amplify your impact and scale it indefinitely. And this is the thing, you want to have a business model with zero limits on your income. So before you start your enterprise, your social enterprise, or even if you have started, take a step back, review where you're at. Are you optimizing your profit? Okay. Do you have the systems, the strategies, the leverage in place, the formulas, the processes to be able to optimize your efforts to get the fastest progress that you possibly can, while still having in consideration the impact on the people and the planet. All three need to work together. None of them get put by the wayside, including the money that you make. If you're in business, then you're in business to make money. That is what business is about. And if you don't make money, then it's completely unsustainable. Even not-for-profit organizations make money. It's just that they reinvest that money into the enterprise, and there's no profit that comes out of it, but people still get paid and money still gets made. There are some social enterprises and not-for-profits out there that are turning over millions and millions of dollars. And there are some really good examples of social enterprises that are doing amazing things in the world. I encourage you to go and put into your search engine social enterprise or social business and have a look at what comes up, because there are some change makers out there who are doing amazing things. So just because you're a conscious being doesn't mean that you can't be wealthy AF. And I really want to encourage you to go all in on your goals, on your dreams, on being the best version of you and being unstoppable at bringing your dreams to life, because you are infinitely powerful and you are capable of achieving anything that you put your mind to. Now, if you have enjoyed this, then please remember to like and subscribe, comment below to let me know what your biggest takeaway is. And if you are ready to go all in on your goals and dreams, then come and register for my free training, where I'm going to help you to explode your impact and your income by sharing with you powerful strategies and techniques that you can implement straight away to be the best version of you and achieve more than you ever imagined possible. So I look forward to seeing you in the training and in another video very soon. Until next time, take care and bye for now.